Hello, my name is Hyuk Lee. Today I'm going to talk about nuclear energy. Look at the first picture. It's not a movie trailer. The pictures contains real situation. Upper one is Fukushima nuclear accident. It is caused by huge earthquake. The damage of Fukushima will be more than Chernobyl accident. In Chernobyl, 270 million curies of radiations are spilled. On the other hand, Fukushima emit 3 billion curies of radiation. It is more than 10 times of Chernobyl. The lower part is Chernobyl picture. After the Chernobyl accident, Chernobyl become a ghost town. No one can live in the city because of radiation. After some time, Fukushima will be like that. This is an area which is polluted by Chernobyl radiations. Yellow part of this whole Europe is a polluted area. As you can see, whole of Europe is polluted, especially thick colored place like this. There are no people because all of them are died by radiation. The result of a nuclear accident is horrible. This picture is contain deformed children. These poor babies are being suffered by one huge accident. Because the life period of uranium-235 is more than 7,000 years, and uranium-238 is more than 4 billion years. The damage come from Chernobyl will be continue. Bottom picture is population group exposed to radiation from the Chernobyl accident. By the accident, 4,000 billion people are contained to radiation. It is 8 times more than South Korea's population. Right chart is about death rate change after closing nuclear power plants. According to chart, more than 15 of the death rate is diminished. It means the presence of nuclear plants, just the plants present can cause more health problems. Think about that your lovely kids look like that. It will be desperate. Already in Japan, there are extreme incline of deformed baby birth. It is no longer other countries' problem because the accident can be happen in Korea. Korea Hydro and Nuclear Power Company says that Korea has different system from Japan, so they said we are safe. It is the best way to create cheap electricity. But their words aren't true. Look at the graph. The graph shows a density of Korean nuclear plants per land scale. Now Korea is second by a close cell next to Belgium. Korea will be number one country which has the most nuclear plants per place when it is 2024. This chart of Korea's nuclear plants accident. There are 327 accidents while 28 years, and the loss caused by the accident is huge. It seems clear that the more nuclear plants, the more possibility of nuclear accidents. Also, it includes incredible huge accidents such as Chernobyl or Fukushima. We can't guarantee 1% safety, and we can't know the reason of next accident. Some people can say that there are no alternative way. We have to continue nuclear energy. It is the cheapest way to make an energy. But there are alternative way. This is a growth rate for solar energy. It means that solar energy system is growing rapidly. As you know, solar energy is truly clear, safety and energy. By the growth of solar system, The price of solar system, solar energy decreased constantly, like this. It looks really cheap energy. This short-term increase is due to silicon shortage, but after that, price of solar energy decreased again. Even in 2010 years, the price of solar energy is cheaper than nuclear energy. As you can see in this graph, nuclear is expensive than solar energy. Let's think, you have two energy. One is expensive, extremely dangerous energy which can bring us uncontrollable risk. The other is cheap, clean, safety energy. Which one will you choose? Thank you.
Today, I'm talking about natural disaster and global warming. Before the main topic, I will explain what is greenhouse effect. First, the sun's energy is absorbed by the Earth's surface. Some of that is reflected, and greenhouse gases trap the sun's energy and keep heat from escaping. So the Earth is getting hotter and hotter. And the main contributor of greenhouse effect is carbon emission. This chart shows the change of global carbon emissions. Carbon emissions increased slowly before 1900, but since then it has increased rapidly. And so has global temperature. Even this moment, airplanes are flying, power plants are being run, and as a consequence, the world temperature is increasing little by little. It's a very serious problem because it affects natural disasters. Why? As world temperature is raised, the circulation of water is faster and faster. So it makes more typhoons and hurricanes. And as the ocean is hotter, it makes more evaporation. So their scale, hurricanes and typhoon scale, is also bigger. This chart shows that the number of reported natural disasters has increased. In 1900, some year, there was no natural disaster. But now, it seems that we can't avoid natural disaster. Because according to global temperature, the number of natural disasters has also increased. But we are not late. We can keep the world temperature from increasing. It will be difficult work, but it will not be impossible work. Do you remember this picture? By reducing your own carbon footprint, we can contribute to save our Earth. Thank you.